Imagine coming home to a perfectly cooked meal, ready and waiting for you as you walk through the door. The aroma of your favorite dish fills the air, and all you have to do is sit down and enjoy. This could be your reality every day without lifting a finger. Thanks to the advancements in artificial intelligence and robotics, this once futuristic dream is now within our grasp. Sounds like sci-fi? Think again. The technology is here and it's transforming our kitchens in ways we never imagined. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI in home cooking. From smart ovens to robot chefs, the innovations are endless. Forget slaving away in the kitchen. Robots and AI are here to revolutionize the way we eat. Imagine having more time to relax and enjoy your meals while the hard work is done for you. First up, meet the AI-powered smart ovens. These aren't your average kitchen appliances. These bad boys can recognize what you're cooking, whether it's a pizza, a roast, or a batch of cookies, and automatically adjust the temperature and time to ensure perfect results every time. No more guesswork or burnt dinners. Imagine perfect cookies every single time. No more burnt disasters. Your baking game just got a major upgrade. And how about robot chefs? These mechanical marvels are straight out of a sci-fi movie. Companies like Robotics have developed robotic arms that can mimic the movements of a human chef, allowing them to whip up gourmet meals from scratch. These robots can handle everything from chopping vegetables to plating the final dish. Just program your favorite recipe, and presto, dinner is served. It's like having a personal chef at your beck and call, but that's not all. The world of AI in the kitchen extends far beyond just cooking. AI meal planners like Whisk and MeLime make grocery shopping a breeze. These apps can create custom meal plans based on your dietary needs and shopping habits, generating shopping lists that ensure you have everything you need for the week. No more wandering aisles aimlessly or forgetting key ingredients. With these tools, grocery shopping becomes efficient and stress-free, allowing you to focus on what really matters, enjoying your meals. Oh, and let's not forget AI-powered kitchen gadgets like smart fridges. These aren't just for keeping your food cold. These fridges can scan their contents and keep track of what you have, suggesting recipes based on the ingredients available. Say goodbye to food waste and hello to culinary creativity. No more letting food go bad in the back of the fridge. With these smart suggestions, you can make the most of what you have. And hello to culinary creativity. Feeling inspired yet? The possibilities are endless when you have AI and robots in your kitchen. AI and robots are turning kitchens into smart, efficient spaces where you can enjoy cooking without the hassle. It's like having a team of experts right in your home. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your meals will be perfectly prepared every time. It's like having a sous chef, nutritionist, and personal shopper all rolled into one. These technologies are designed to make your life easier and more enjoyable. That's all for today, folks. We hope you're as excited about the future of cooking as we are. If you're as excited about AI and cooking as we are, please subscribe to this channel for more mind-blowing tech videos. Happy cooking! The future of cooking is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Stay tuned for more updates and innovations in the world of AI and robotics in the kitchen. Please subscribe to this channel for more mind-blowing tech videos. Happy cooking!